Harleen Kaur, you can unmute your mic. You are telling through chat that you are trying, and also everyone is helping to resolve errors. The thing is, has errors been resolved or not? If there's any pending issue, you need to tell us. Then you are asking, is it possible to give us tutorial by sharing screen to code on Mosh for making web page mention in our task? Yes, I can. Uh, what my suggestion is, if we can develop the habit to read, and if anything lacking in that lesson or instructions, then you point out that definitely you face some difficulties, and that will make that lesson a perfect one. Then next time, if anyone read that thing carefully, then there won't be any problem. Because reading is something which everyone must have a good skill in reading and understanding. And most of the employers, they complain nowadays that their freshers, they lack this skill. I am not underestimating the power of screen sharing or video, but still, uh, we should also be versatile. Every aspect, every ability to understand and communicate, everything should be there. You should able to listen properly, you should able to speak properly, you should able to write properly, you should able to read everything, you should be perfect. I mean, you should not lack anywhere. And whatever you see, I say, if you are typing text here, then it would have been much better to write on the discussion forum. I mean, if anything is pending in the discussion forum, kindly point out here and then reply there that this is still pending. I mean, I know one issue is pending. One student was not able to log into code server. So if that type of problem, I may not able to help. I don't think she's there. No, she's not there. Okay. The comment of Harleen Core is that after command Hugo, I am unable to understand further commands. That is as per design. See, first thing, you you can say this is just test of your reading capability and doing the action on basis of that. Just read something and do the things even without understanding. So first thing is getting the work done without understanding. The key point here is that you should able to read very carefully. You should able to type same thing. I mean, it should be exactly the same thing. And even if you can copy paste, I have no objection in that. But you must keep yourself alert, observant, very visual, and see the observations. Keep on find if computer is saying something, read that very carefully, and keep on making the notes. Rather making the notes, do everything somewhere on the internet, right? So that when you have the problem, you raise any question, I should able to see that what steps you have followed. Like if you are following our lesson, you can mention the link of that lesson. Then there are, let us say, 10 steps. From 10 steps, you need to tell up to step 6, everything was fine. Then 7th step, this is written, you type the same thing, and it was written that you get something, but you got something different. So that's what I need to know. And that particular sequence in the form of, I normally prefer text. Whatever you do on code server, you can copy paste and copy from that screen and paste on the discussion forum helpline. And I mean, you do must do that. And at the same time, you can also attach the screenshot. Like if something which you miss in copy paste, that thing will be clear from the screenshot. So that's how, that is the way to have the help. Arlene, are you able to? I mean, one part is you are not able to understand. That I will post today's few things where you will, after that you will able to understand the things. So first thing was learning by doing. I mean, you do certain action, you get some very good website. That was the first thing. If you are able to do that, I mean, you can get your website on code server, and if you can get your website on github.com, of course domain will be different, but that service GitHub pages is provided by the GitHub. So if you can have that website, even without even changing anything, just you change your name, that's minor thing. uh, in next assignments which you will going to have, there you are going to add your own content, you are going to remove the existing content, or you will add the content so that it looks like yours. I can see the website of Professor Jaswant too. I mean, he have lot of creativity, and I also put that website in the Hall of Fame. And we must appreciate, rather I would like to some feedback from Professor Jaswant Singh, that might be he's a very skillful earlier, so it is not that this course will be able to make him like that. It is his previous knowledge and expertise that he was able to present the website in a very nice manner. And I say he should give some tips to the others as well. Uh, can I request Professor Jaswant Singh?
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Uh, it's a very first time I'm using Hugo, but I have used some other frameworks, other CSS framework like Bootstrap and the Foundation. But this is the very first time I'm using Hugo, so it's been great for me to learn Hugo using the command line interface. And I have just changed the content over there and the images, nothing else. The layout is the same, and I have put over there links for GitHub, LinkedIn, and the other social networking platforms. And as well as I changed the logo. These are the minor changes that are done by me. I haven't changed any theme. Uh, Anak, I think the name of the theme is Anak. I have used that theme. If there is any query related to CSS part, then I will be there to help you guys. And I have one query related to the some navigation bars. Actually, I unable to edit the navigation. I have checked the partial of the Anik theme also. I unable to change the name of articles and contact and the about. I have read out the documentation of Hugo also, but they are saying like you need to change the main navigation. But I unable to edit that. It would be grateful for me if someone can help me on that.
I think Dr. Rai has been disconnected. I'll just call him to confirm.
Yeah, sure.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Professor Jaswant, my query was that because you might be comfortable with this type of technology, because we have these first year students as well as say from mechanical, civil, electrical, which may not be using the computers or website, and then we have the lab technicians, clerks. I mean, whatever you have done, can they do that? I mean, do you see any difficulty? क्यों नहीं कर पाएंगे? You can give them tip ke it's as easy as editing some Microsoft doc document.
Yes, they can, sir. It's
They
very
can.
easy. Yes, yes, yes. I have already changed the text only, images, nothing else. I haven't changed any layout over there. I just use the documentation of Hugo and change accordingly.
Okay, fine. Uh, so thank you, Professor Jaswant. I read the comments. I mean, you can also read the comments, but at the same time, because I will give my own comments on that. Uh, Gurmandeep, uh, please tell us about Hogo command. Is it Linux command? No, it is not Linux command. I mean, just wait for my few more posts. I will disclose this thing. I mean, it is nice that you are waiting for us to tell you something. Otherwise, if you are in hurry, and rather say you should not be in hurry. Just be patient. Don't do anything. Just focus what we are telling. So that will be a right approach. I mean, just wait for maybe today I will post something related to that. I mean, our focus is not to teach you the website. Our focus is how you manage your day-to-day work, not as a computer professional, as a normal person, whatever your profession is. You may be lawyer, you may be doctor, MBBS doctor, you may be MBA manager of something, or you may be clerk. Whatever you are doing, you have to just do that thing. And how to do that thing in a systematically, where you can keep a track, you can keep a track of changes, you can find who did what changes. So that is more important. We are coming to that point. Thank you. Hello. Am I audible? I think in between some there was some power failure.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir,
Uh,
audible.
I mean,
Yes, sir, your voice is audible.
I think there was some gap now.
Yes, sir,
Yes, sir.
it was.
Tell me where I was. Okay, I will try. The website. You should do any effort to create any website. Whatever it is, might be company, nothing to do with the computer science, or I suppose computers being used for normal job work, everything need to be typed on the computer. So that thing part is done by everyone. You might be a office assistant, you might be a lawyer, you might be a salesperson, whatever you are. You need to do just your normal job, but in a better way, where you can keep a track what you did, when you did, and what changes you have made, or your clique have made on your document, or you made changes on your clique's document. That is more important for us, and that's our main focus of this course. Website is just a byproduct of that. Like whatever you do, you don't keep everything on the in the part of the website. Some part of your work will be presented on a website for the public to consume, for the consumption of the public. That's the thing. So the rest part you can learn much more. I mean, I don't say this is very uh, short course. So we folks will make on the revision of the documents and how to keep a track, how to observe the changes, and how to roll back if that need arises. And this website, whether you make or not make, this is just a byproduct. So that will be our thing. Yes, any others problem or comments? Sir, my next question is how to edit or change landing page of website. I'm sorry, we will not touch this in detail. Something you need to, we have given you the pointer. You can explore it yourself. I mean, we will do whatever is minimum essential. I mean, even we don't focus much on the look and feel. We say we are just to produce the content. Look and feel is to be taken care by someone else. I mean, we as a normal user, we are not a designer for the website. That is not it. We are the content connector. We are just need to write the content, which is our job. So please keep this thing in your mind. Uh, I can share my screen after command Hugo, or will you resolve in the discussion form? Harleen, I think in discussion form, what I presume, you are not following the instructions properly. I say you must read the things carefully. I think that's the only somewhere things. And if you wish, I will let you know the share the screen. You keep yourself ready after some discussion. If no, I am expecting discussion will not last much because no one is asking any question. So I will give you the provision to share your screen and solve your problem. So you be ready to share your screen. Yes, anyone else problem or some objection?
Sir, I have a one query.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm trying to change the navigation bar. Like I want to change that article word into post, but I unable to change that. I have also checked the partial that are under the annex theme. Uh, and you help me on that.
No, Professor Jaswant, I won't be helping on that front. I see
Okay.
we are really more focus on the content and the
Okay.
changes in the content.
Okay.
This look and feel is a part of the theme, and we are not going to touch theme at all.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Right. It will be entirely different domain.
Okay.
So I mean, you are the right person. Rather, you will can have a such course yourself. I mean, if you find on the internet, I am sure within 15 minutes you will able to find the solution.
Okay, sir.
I can help you, but in a different forum, but not on this course. This course will not be. I am not helping on this course, but otherwise, yes, I can help you.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. I mean, is there Gurmandeep or the person is with a different name? I mean, Gurmandeep, can you introduce
Good morning,
yourself?
sir. Actually, good morning, sir. Myself is Amandeep Singh Patel. Basically, I'm joining from my from the account Gurmandeep.
Okay,
I am
okay.
using his. Yes, sir. Yes.
Amandeep, I mean, you are the first one
Yes,
to post the link for your website, and I mean, you are the winner of some surprise gift. Are you aware or not?
basically, I am very excited to attend this course. The technique used to teach this course is very effective, sir. Your teaching, sir.
Really, what I am saying, you are the winner. You are the winner. Are you aware about that?
Okay, okay.
I mean, you are the
Thank you, sir.
first
Thank
one.
you so much, sir.
You are
Basically,
the,
I learned.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਜੇ ਲਿੰਕ ਪੋਸਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਵੈਬਸਾਈਟ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ I mean, so that way we have a special
ठीक है सर,
surprise
ठीक है,
gift.
ठीक है.
Okay, congratulations.
ਸਰ ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ ਤਾਂ ਥੋੜੀ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸਰ, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਮਚ. ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ
ਹਾਂ ਕੀ
ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ
ਇਨਸਟਰਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਫੋਲੋ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਸਰ, ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਸੀ, ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ਸਰ.
Okay, so it
ਟਾਸਕ ਨੂੰ
means
ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਈਜ਼ੀ.
that's the answer to Harleen Kaur. Harleen Kaur, you are saying that. So see, Amandeep Singh Patel, he's saying that I mean he was the first one to post the link for the website, and he's saying the instructions were the good instructions, and by following the instruction one can do it. Then Harleen is saying, actually, that's the thing I am unable to understand. What is the thing I am getting wrong? So I want to help me. Okay, sure, we will help you. In this session, we will help you definitely. Before helping her, I mean, others should also be witness to that, what problem she is facing, that rather say before I extend my help, someone from your side should try to identify the issue and try to give the help. So I will be the second person to say something. First, let other participants say something. So before I allow Harleen Kaur to share her screen, any other comment or any observation or difficulty? Is only Harleen is facing the difficulty, no one else is facing any difficulty? Okay, Harleen, you share your screen. You can speak out or make it full screen. Can you eliminate the participants you are sharing? I mean, we are not getting your screen. Show your screen of, yeah, no, it's okay. Don't show this screen. You are in a folder www and you have issued the command Hugo. That's fine. Now, what's your question?
Sir, I have to type a config.toml after this.
To you can press Control D.
Control
D.
Control B. Okay, sir.
D for donkey.
Okay. Now I have to press X, right?
Yes, you can press X. You can't do anything else. You have
Okay,
logged
sir.
out from the system. Yeah. Now again log
Now,
into go to Mosh. Or you want to go to Mosh, or just want to view the website? No, in your browser, write down the link. You should able to see your website.
okay, sir.
You are in a stage 1 or stage 2? I mean, are you publishing on GitHub or you are publishing on code server? The
Sir,
I did first step was to publish on the code server. Second was to publish on the GitHub.
this
If
one,
you are,
sir,
this means you are publishing it on code server. You
okay,
should
sir.
able to
Sir,
see.
now,
I mean, if you did something extra, then there will be a
okay.
problem. See, I tell you on this configuration file, which is config.toml, In that there are instructions 1 and 2, right? So one instruction is to publish on the code server, and all the commands instruction you are to take with 2, that set is to publish on the GitHub. So in this first case, you are not to do anything with respect to the instruction mark 2 dot. Second set में कुछ नहीं करना आपने. You need to just make one change. That's all. If you are making more changes even for the GitHub pages for second set, then we may land in trouble. That might be your case. So I'm giving you the hint. If you can show me your file, configuration file, I can tell what is wrong or what is right. So in your configuration file, you were expected to only one change corresponding to set 1.
Sir, now I have to type code.gndc URL.
In a browser, you are to type code.gndc.ac.in. See, on where you have typed in the URL edit box, you paste again. Whatever is written, delete it and paste. You have copied the right thing, paste there.
Sir, I replaced my username with yours, and it's
Nothing wrong. I say you see, one thing is as a student, you must obey your teacher. I say paste there again. Whatever is written, you
okay.
बेटा कॉपी तो कर रखा था पहले आपने कॉपी करने की जरूरत नहीं थी जस्ट यू हैव टू पेस्ट देयर
Paste here.
यस
Okay, sir.
right press enter now can go to COE hit 3 characters
Okay, sir.
and write your roll number there
Okay, roll number.
no that's what you get right and
Okay, sir.
I am 102% sure you did something extra
Yes,
so
sir.
just make yeah you just make one change you don't do extra work if you do extra work I mean you must read very carefully and just do whatever is written there I mean don't try to understand don't try to be forward yourself first
No,
thing is just follow these steps right and get the required result without understanding once you are able to get that results you will be excited then when I explain what is the meaning what you have done you will be appreciating that and you will be able to understand so my style is the reverse I will not teach you theory first and don't do the practical first thing is you just taste the dish I am serving to you let us say मैं खीर बनाई है ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਦੇ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਖੀਰ ਬਣਾਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਿਖਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਖੀਰ ਟੇਸਟ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਜੇ ਚੰਗੀ ਲੱਗੀ ਫਿਰ ਦੱਸੂਗਾ ਕਿ ਖੀਰ ਬਣਦੀ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਹੈ
okay, sir.
so right so just follow whatever I am saying just follow it with full faith
Sir, actually, I was also trying to do the same, but I thought that it may have any alternate method, and it resulted in errors.
see your first task is just read my instructions and if you are following instruction and you are not able to understand any instruction you can ask that and if it results some error you can ask that as per instruction it was to give something and what it is saying something different so that's where I can help you so that's where if instruction is wrong I will modify the instruction so that it is very clear to everyone once you are able to get your website stunning beautiful website on code server as well as on the GitHub pages then I will explain what you have done
Okay, sir.
And definitely you will, I think just wait for one more day, you will like that approach. I mean, don't get disheartened that you are not able to understand anything. If you are able to get a beautiful website, it is a lot of encouragement for you to then go and study what you have done. And what you have done, those steps has been written there already. So only thing is, if I say turn right, you have to turn right. That's the only thing. You cannot say, okay, why we have turned right? Because after turning right, you will find a cafeteria where you can have the coffee. And we want to have a coffee. And there's no logic then why to do that thing. These are the steps to do something to reach a destination. These steps, you have to follow those steps. That's all. And then why we are following this approach? See, I have not given you any instruction that you need to install something. Expect one that in Google Chrome you need to install one extension Mosh. Only one installation. Rest, I tell you, you have used the Git, you have not installed the Git. You have used the Hugo, you have not installed the Hugo. So I mean, lot many things you have saved your time. You need not to install anything on your computer. Then a computer may have the compatibility issue. So that is the beauty of working on a server. You just connect, everything is there. You just issue a command, you will get the result. So learning will be much faster with this approach.
Okay, sir, I get it.
Got it? Okay, all the best. You will be able to do everything. I mean, just you now do one thing. Remove www folder and follow the instruction. I am sure within a 15 minutes you will post on the discussion forum that you have done something great.
Sir, here in the URL.
I mean, just you remove the folder www, and during discussion there is a method told okay, how you are to remove the folder, and I think you must have removed a number of times. Then read
Yes,
the
sir.
instructions. Read the instruction again carefully. Follow the same. I mean, no repeat the procedure. This time you will be successful.
So the command was r space something.
Yes, yes, yes. You are right.
This was to remove the folder www.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Patel, you are asking about the storage space. I mean, don't worry about the, I don't have the data. Code server is managed by our college server. I mean, you might be involved in that server. Whatever the hard disk available, it is at your disposal. So it is not a limit on that, okay, how much per person can be there. On GitHub, huge space is available, much more than what is our requirement. So for our purpose, it is infinite.
Okay, sir. Should I stop sharing?
Yeah, yes, yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So if anyone has any other comment or problem discussion, definitely we are there to help you on discussion forum, and that will be our standard procedure. This type of discussion is only once, like last will be then on Tuesday, there will be validatory function. In between, we don't have any this type of interaction. Only we will communicate through the discussion forum. And I think when you used to it, you find it is much more convenient rather than having the video conferencing. Sahajbir Singh, any comment from your side, or Gagandeep Singh, Avinam Kumar, Niti Singh? I mean, say something. Don't be so boring persons. You need to either appreciate, give us thumbs up, or you should criticize that things are not understandable. Someone wrote in that either he or she is not getting anything. Totally.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, actually, I have done so many things in GitHub. Actually, whatever instructions given there in that, and I do there. But I'm unable to connect on remote server to this GitHub. Actually,
No, you are unable to connect to remote server. That is
yes, sir.
a code server. Code.gndc.ac.in.
No, sir. I did. I connected. Actually, I did some programming there too. But yeah, there are some instructions are given there in discussion forum about this after this skill program.
Hmm.
Uh, and that thing I'm not understanding.
Okay, so Niti, what I understood that you have not learned how to connect to remote server in this course. Prior to this course, you were able to connect to the code server for you some other course,
Yes,
and
sir.
you can work there, right?
Yes, sir.
I mean, here we are teaching you the get and to make a website as a byproduct. So,
Yes, yes.
I, I mean, just follow our instructions, do the things, and if you are not able to do the things, then you are to report your problem on discussion forum,
Okay, sir.
right? We will able to help you. So, but only our request is you should give us sufficient information that which lesson or which tutorial you are following, up to what step you are able to do, and then what you were typing and what computer was giving you or what you are expecting and what is different from that. So you need to describe your problem in totality. Then
So
definitely we will be
actually,
there to help you. Yes.
I did work of the first day, and
Mhm.
I also did of second day. But the second work of second day, I'm unable to do that.
I mean, unable to do it, it will be not serve the purpose. You need to tell what you did and where you struck, what was the problem. You describe your problem, we will resolve the issue.
And sir, also one thing, the in the GitHub, as I'm clicking on fork, it is written here cannot fork because you own this respiratory. Yeah.
Because you have already forked it. You cannot kill a killed person. You cannot fork a forked repository. You
Okay, sir.
already it says read the message carefully. It say you are the owner of this repository. It
Yes,
means
sir.
you are forking your own repository. That is not the purpose. You
Okay.
fork someone else work,
Okay. So
and
how
you
to
are
correct?
bringing someone else area to your area. That's the forking. So if you have your own directory, own repository, then you need not to fork that.
Okay, so I thought that it is.
No, no issue. ਬੇਟਾ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ, ਇਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਗਲਤੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਵਿੱਚ, ਐਂਡ ਗਲਤੀਆਂ ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਘਬਰਾਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਗਲਤੀਆਂ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਉਨਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਐਕਸਪਰਟ ਬਣੋਗੇ. I mean, you should learn from your mistakes, and committing mistake is not a crime at all. ਜੇ ਬੰਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਗਲਤੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕੁਝ ਕਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਿਹਾ. So I'm always happy to listen from the students or any participant that they are committing the mistakes. Just as Veer Singh.
Yes, sir. I am following all your instructions, and all the things are going great. All resource persons and faculty members are very supportive. It is a very informative session. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, I mean, if that is the case, I mean, as per my knowledge, at this level, I think you are in first year.
Yes, sir.
At this level, or rather at any level, at UG level, final year, or PG level, no institution is offering this type of course,
Yes, sir. Yes.
right? So that way, it is you are lucky that perchance we are offering this course also the first time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, better to take full benefit from this, as well as you should convey to your friends and who in your classmates that why only you feel of getting the benefit. You should encourage others to also take the benefit. I mean, the more persons, more students of GNDC learn this technique, more growth of our institution will be. I mean, it is not only the growth of your individual. If your individual grow, institution will also be growing much more. So don't restrict yourself. Share this information with others, and even this is self-paced. Even they can join now. I mean, there's no harm. They can finish later, It is not that you should take only 1 week to finish it. If you are having some urgent work, you can do that work and later come on this. You can take 2 weeks to finish this. You can join late. So let your other friends and other classmates, you inform them that advise them to get benefit from this.
Sure, sir. Sure.
So kindly mark your attendance. You see your chat. There is a link given. You click on that link and you be ready there. It will ask for the password and then password will be announced or it will be shared. Perhaps had been shared. Professors Juvraj Singh, kindly share the password. So password has been shared. So you
Sir,
can note down password and mark your attendance, please. Hanji,
so good
Kumar,
morning, sir.
Abhinav, good
So
morning.
today is my first session, so I don't know that much about this session and anything about this session.
So
What's
that
we
means
are
you have
conducting?
joined late. You joined this
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
late.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, no issue, no issue. I mean, just to go to the guru.gndc.ac.in, I think you must have enrolled there. That's why you are here. So go to day one, day two, and like follow the things. You will able to understand if any issue is there. Ask question. We will help there.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So there are 18 total participants. You are the resource persons. We will know how many resource persons are there. So that much attendance should be there. No less, no more. I mean, okay, if there is any query, if you have marked your tenders and there's no question, then we can wind up the session. Then you can do the work and raise your objection or problems on discussion forum. We will keep on answering there. What I say, you need to change content. I mean, don't just change your name. Try to change the images. Try to change the content. And if you find it difficult, I even say even now you can do it. But definitely we will explain a little bit more. Then it will be much easier for you to change the content or to add the content. Okay, fine, dear. I If there's no question, we will close this. Thank you very much for joining this session. And we wish you Happy New Year. This is your second day of New Year and first weekend. And you are using your this weekend very fruitfully. All the best. Thank you very much. I am closing this session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.